Reaper.
Wentworth Castle, aka Northern College, is a Grade 1 listed country house, the former seat of the Earls of Strafford, at Stainborough, near Barnsley in South Yorkshire, England. It is now home to the Northern College for residential and community education. Wentworth Castle. Horace Walpole found the south front finished 1764, evinced the most perfect taste in architecture. An older house existed on the estate, then called Stainborough, when it was purchased by Thomas Wentworth, Baron Raby, later Earl of Strafford. In 1708, it was still called Stainborough in Jan Kipp's engraved bird's-eye view of parterres and avenues. 1714, and in the first edition of Vitruvius Britannicus, 1715. The name was changed in 1731. The original name survives in the form of Stainborough Castle, a sham ruin constructed as a garden folly on the estate. The estate was in the care of the Wentworth Castle Heritage Trust from 2001 to June 2019 and was open to the public year-round 7 days a week.